Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you can access the Outlook calendar you want to move. Make sure you have permission to export or share it. Once ready, export the calendar as an IX file from Outlook Desktop or copy the ICS subscription link from Outlook Web. Choose your method now, import a static IX for a one-time copy, or get the subscription link if you want continuous updates. Doing this first avoids rework and clarifies the rest of the steps. Open Google Calendar and go directly to Settings, then Add Calendar. If you exported an IX file, pick Import and select the File and Target Calendar. Confirm the time zone matches Outlook to prevent shifted events. If you copied an ICS subscription link, choose Add by URL and paste it to subscribe. This keeps future Outlook changes visible. Once done, allow a few minutes for Google to process imports or to fetch the first. After import or subscription, verify that events, attendees, and recurring rules match expectations. Open a few events to inspect details. If items are missing or dates shifted, recheck the exported IX or subscription URL and confirm both calendars use the same time zone. If subscribing doesn't update, try clearing browser cache or re-adding the URL. If problems persist, confirm Outlook sharing permissions, allow public or authenticated subscriptions. A final refresh usually resolves sync hiccups. Make sure the right calendar was selected.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.